if you have a good sense, or if you are good at writing, then this might be the thing for you. Copywriting. Copywriting is a special skill that can be learned quickly. If you know how to put things in writing in simple language, then this is for you. Because too many times companies are dragged, or organizations are dragged into the technical, difficult language that nobody understands. So what you can do here, you can take that language and transfer it into simple daily language for the average person that understands that language. And if you can write in that way, you can write in simple terms, then there could be a job for you here, because copywriters are scarce. Too many businesses, too many people don't have this skill. So they are looking for people who can write with simple language, and they pay well, especially in English language. And English becomes the universal language of the world now. So you can use it in almost any country in the world. So try it, see, there are different tools that you can use. There are different Facebook groups for copywriters, and you can also learn from people who have their own blogs, and they will share many ideas with you on how to become a blogger, how to become a copywriter. Okay, so try it. It might be one of the skills that will put you on another level.